I think we need to go on a cooking adventure today. I've been watching other people's videos, cooking things. It got me in the mood. So let's go. I boiled the water and then I put in the spaghetti. It's organic spaghetti, and I was thinking there was a pound of it there. It was actually 17.5 ounces, so a tad over a pound, but that's boiling up nicely. Then I have a can of tomato sauce. My burner was hot, so it started bubbling right away. So I turned the burner off, and I have things I'm going to add. Minced onion. I'll get that stirred in. It's starting to make it smell really good. Garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. And that's starting to thicken up nicely. And then a quart of canned turkey. And I'll break that all up. And then I'll turn the burner back on for a little bit and let that simmer. I put cheese over the top and I will let that melt. I'll put this lid over here. After it melts, I'll get it all stirred in good. I think my noodles are just about done. They look like it. Okay, I'm going to put my spaghetti in here. I'm not going to save any of the water from the spaghetti. I don't need it. So there's all the pasta in there without the water. Okay, mixing in all the cheese. And then this is going to get dumped into where the spaghetti is. Hubby wanted hamburger in it too, so we're going to cook up some hamburger and add it to the turkey spaghetti. I added some parsley. So the spaghetti was a bit dry. I added the juice from the turkey. I added the rest of it to the hamburger as it was finishing up. The hamburger is added. Out of that, we're going to take what we're going to eat today. The rest of it I'm going to put in meal-sized portions in Ziploc bags and stick them in the freezer so that we have some ready-made meals. I hope you enjoyed my little cooking adventure today. And I already did taste test that. I added a little bit of more salt because it needed just a little bit more salt. I daren't add too much because hubby doesn't like a lot of salt added to things. I'm more of a salt person than he is. Well, until my next video, this is Darlene, hoping you enjoy your kitchen adventures and your gardening adventures. May God's love and blessing surround you. Until my next video. Bye. That extra little splash of salt made it perfect. Yummy. Ooh, here's a nice big chunk of turkey.